A fan asked me to make Odette's signature weapon. Of course. Today I'll show you how. Can't 3D model? No problem. I'll open source the files soon for you to download. This time I used Elegoo filament. Silk gold and silk white. Gray blue. Matte sakura pink. Matte ice blue. And translucent PLA. Which printer? Any 4-color printer works. Now, assembly. Step 1. The blade pins together, just glue it. Step 2. Glue on the decorations. Pin these 2 parts. Then glue the halves together. Add the white parts. Insert the blade and secure it. Finally, add the flashlight and screw in the hilt. And that's Odette's signature weapon. Whitelake Frostfeather. The sword is 105 centimeters long. Total weight, 409 g. Like this video? Please follow. More models coming soon. Thanks.